everybody and welcome to the allotment. Okay, today we've come down today to, because we're on holiday next week, to get things sorted. So one of the things we're going to do, we're going to lift the stuff off the broccoli so I can clear the weeds out the broccoli. So we'll get that done. Rob's doing something else at the moment, but once he thingies, we'll start lifting that and getting that done. So I'm talking as I'm walking here. I'll switch cameras. Okay, we've got courgettes or marigolds around the sweet corn. This is we experiment. We're doing tomatoes outside and got marigolds in front. Now, what the tip is with the marigolds in front, it protects them from whitefly. And you can also put another barrier up with basil if you want, which will help protect from whitefly. Strawberries are starting to do well. Peas and beans are starting to grow. And the kale in here and the kale in here, we're always fighting weeds. Kale in here, and there's some beetroot in here. In here we've got some, you can just see it, carrots starting to grow, beetroot starting to grow, looks like the chard's starting to grow. That's with leeks, and that's with broccoli. If we come along into this bed, the cauliflower's starting to grow and the cabbage is starting to grow in here. So good, that's starting to do. These are sweet peas. They need watering and feeding, because that's why they're going yellow. They need feeding. So we'll go along here. And in here, in the greenhouse, well, polytunnel, same again, another row of tomatoes with marigolds in front, and these are my cucumbers with one chilli, which I got off one of the plot orders. So there's the chilli. All right, so we'll show you other things first, but first things I'll do is we've got a video from the other day of we're putting these tomatoes in, so I'll show that first after this, and then we'll go on to show you whatever we're doing. So back soon. Okay, Dano's putting a couple of tomato plants in. We're going to try some outdoor. These are the smaller ones. Now we've got the big ones. One we need to get, we'll probably have to get the canes out. Yep. So he's digging a hole. Putting some feed in. Checking it, the plant will fit.
Slightly deep up. That should do it.
I'll put a bit of feed in.
It's a handful.
Tap it out the pot. Drop it in. Then we're going to have to get a cane. It's got a cane in, but it's not very good. So we'll get another cane.
We'll take We'll cut the cable ties and redo that.
Okay.
3 in.
So that's 3 in. We've got 2 more, and then we're going to put these courgettes in the front. And it's starting to rain, so try and pull them roots out. Because we've just prepared this bed.
Yeah.
Took some getting all them roots out. There's still bloody more at the bottom.
That is crushed grass.
Which have plenty of soil around, so there's no air pockets. Right, we'll go down so we use a shot from there. So we'll get the other one in, we'll get them caned, and then I'll do a shot. We're getting these in next. Okay, there's the marigolds in and the tomatoes in. Now the larger ones, this is the first time I've tried growing tomatoes outside. The larger ones are Alicia Grey, and the smaller ones are money makers. So as Danny says, hope they'll make us some money. So what we'll do now is we'll give them a good watering in, even though it's raining, but still need a good watering in. And I'll probably be down tomorrow and show you some other stuff we're going to do tomorrow. Morning everybody, and we're off to the allotment, just going down the track to the gate. Hope everybody's doing okay. So I was down yesterday, so this is a clip on from yesterday. So we'll work out what we're going to do and I'll let you know. So hit the gate now, so see you soon. Okay, Rob is busy.
Put some flowers in there.
He's put some sunflowers in here and he's busy digging here.
We'll put more sunflowers in here now.
Put some more sunflowers in here so to get them done. Danny stripped all this yesterday, so we're going to have to get this dug over eventually. So this was trimmed yesterday. I'll take you on a tour what we're doing yesterday. Put some plants in there. It's doing fine. Put some busy lizzies in here to give some more plants in here. Tidy this area. That's what that's doing well. We did that yesterday. So sprouts, kale and courgettes. This bed's starting to grow. And this bed's starting to grow. Fuse in. This sweet corn. I've got some courgettes around and lupins. Go into the polytunnel. As you can see, we've got the tomatoes and marigolds growing. And on this side we've got cucumbers and one chilli going. That's in there. Peas there, beans there, kale in there, tomatoes, and I've just put some runner beans in here. That's for strawberries. We're starting to get them. Look down there, cardboard's down, and if I walk down here, more marigolds, and he's got sunflowers growing up here. So we're going to be away next week, so I'm going to give this a good watering before we leave. And see how things are when we come back. Oh, in that last bed over there is lettuce and spinach, and we've been starting this area for the pond, chopping this area down. So when we come back on holiday, we'll be starting to clear all that, and then look at getting the pond put in. So that's where we're up to now. We're a quick shot down the garden. So I'm going to do some watering. I'll come back when all that's done, show you it watered, and then I'll sign off. So okay, that's us down for today. We'll not be down for over a week now because we're away on holiday next week to sunny Skegness. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. And don't forget to leave a comment. So Jody Dave from DRD Allotments signing off, and catch you soon. So bye for now.
Down the DRD allotment, grafting in the sun, seeds in the soil and the growing's just begun. Greenhouse warm and the bed's all neat. Nothing beats fresh veg you've grown to eat. Dig it, plant it, watch it grow. Bit graft a day, harvest tomorrow. Like, subscribe before ye gan. DRD allotments, see you next time.